Discover the hottest side hustles of 2024. These will blow your mind. In 2024, side hustles are more than just a trend. They're a lifestyle. This year, creativity and profit come together with these top 4 side hustles: candle making, soap making, perfume blending, and crafting natural skincare products. First, candle making. Who doesn't love a good candle? With endless scents to create, this hobby can light up your wallet. Plus, it's a great way to relax. Next, soap making. It's bubbly, it's fun, and people can't get enough of unique, handmade soaps. Perfect for gifting and selling. Everyone loves a personal touch. Now, perfume blending. Combine art and science to craft custom fragrances that stand out from the crowd. It's a niche market with big potential. Finally, natural skincare products. With everyone going green, this side hustle is skincare gold. Eco-friendly is the way to go. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into these creative ventures. Subscribe, like, and start hustling today. Your future self will thank you. In this extended segment, we'll dive deeper into the world of side hustles. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to turn your hobbies into cash. First, let's talk about marketing. No matter how amazing your products are, they need to be seen. Utilize social media platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok to showcase your creations. High-quality photos and engaging videos can make all the difference. Next, pricing your products. It's crucial to find the sweet spot between affordability and profitability. Research similar products, consider your materials and time, and don't undervalue your work. Remember, your time and creativity are worth something. Now, customer engagement. Building a loyal customer base starts with excellent communication. Respond promptly to messages, offer exceptional customer service, and don't forget to ask for reviews. Positive feedback can boost your credibility and attract more buyers. Lastly, continuous learning. The world of side hustles is always evolving, so stay updated with the latest trends and techniques. Join online communities, take workshops, and never stop improving your skills. With these tips, you're well on your way to turning your hobbies into a profitable venture. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Start today, and who knows where your side hustle might take you. Subscribe, like, and keep hustling. Your future self will thank you.